Without naming names, can you tell me about a case where everyone thought the client was done for, but you found a way to turn it around?
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely been a few of those. I've had a case where we've had multiple white-collar cases with circumstances of where there's an international element. So usually when there's an international element, it means that there is a large financial scheme of some sort that was going on between multiple different countries, whether it be Venezuela or China. There usually is some type of violation that's occurring. So typically in those types of circumstances, there is almost a definitive kind of or assumed guilty of those types of individuals. And once you do enough investigation into the background of circumstances, or usually fraud cases revolve around tracing the money. Once you trace the money and you start to kind of figure out the landscape much better, or things that the government may not have seen, all of a sudden you find yourself in a space to where they're letting go of a particular case where people have thought that there's no way, right? So that has definitely happened on multiple occasions. On the state side, of course, I've had murder cases that were pending and have gotten dismissed because the initial investigation led somebody to believe that this was the individual that was responsible for killing someone. And after some time, it became evident that that's not accurate. In those cases, those are rare instances, obviously, and you want to keep cards closer to your chest. You don't want to reveal something that may potentially be a trial strategy. So you always kind of strategize whether or not you want to actually disseminate certain information that you find out throughout the course of your investigation. But that certainly has happened. And I mean, obviously a big relief to everybody that's involved.